Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back to my channel if you're a seasoned member of the 202 crew. And you know how we get down around here. Today, I am talking about the Balenciaga speed trainers. And I'm talking about it in this extremely bright turtleneck top that I really hope doesn't affect the colours of this video. I do reviews of pretty much like most of the cool trainers I have, and I don't know why I haven't even mentioned this one yet. So we're going to get into that. I actually have a pretty interesting little story that comes with it. But before we get into that, guys, if you're here and you're just sitting by being a free rider watching this video, I'm going to need you to subscribe. Yes, join the 202 crew. You're going to love it. Go ahead, click the red button, turn on the notification bell. Let us begin. So yes, the Balenciaga Speed Trainer, the sock trainer that has inspired all of the other brands to now do the same, okay? Miu Miu is copying and has come out with their own. Louis Vuitton just dropped their own not that long ago, but these bad boys are the originals. I got these a while ago, maybe even a year ago. So they are slightly different from the other ones on the market because these were for that season, and they basically, so these are the black ones, but they have, if you look very closely, blue, almost like a pinstripe effect. However, like all the others, they've got Balenciaga on the side just to let the haters know, and then you have the white sole that's got all of that, this sort of indented shapes, and then you've got the black like undersole. Guys, I don't know the technical terms for trainers here and sneakers, so just go with me. Let's just pretend that everything I'm saying makes some sort of sense. Cool, good. And then it like comes up, the thing comes up and it's got a little, this looks like a little python's mouth. That's what I call that, the snake mouth. These I wear with like jeans and all of those kind of looks. I wear them with joggers, but I also wear them with skirts because I feel like, skirts and dresses, because I feel like with the shorter ankle, it looks better than if it was a longer ankle with a skirt. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Are we on the same wavelength? Just say yes in order to make this easier for the both of us. I love them. They are super, super comfy, as you probably would expect with them being a sock shoe. They are so ridiculously comfortable. Throw on and go, slip your foot in, off you go. They make everything look chic because they're the Balenciaga Speed Trainer and we all know about them and we all love them, and if you're considering getting them, just do it. They've come out with a lot of different styles for these in different colours. I would suggest you choose wisely because some of the colours and choices are quite questionable. Basically, what's different about my pair is this. If you look closely, it says Air on this side, and then, ladies and gentlemen, Virgil Abloh himself, the signature on the inside. So basically, quick story time, quick break, story time. So basically, what happened was, I went to a Nike event, like a Nike workshop. It wasn't an event, I wasn't like specifically invited. I entered like a raffle to go, and I ended up going to this workshop, which was for Air Force Ones. Virgil, so all of these workshops and everything were happening because Virgil was doing his collection with Nike. Anyway, Virgil turned up. Virgil was not meant to be there. We didn't know that this was going to happen. And so obviously everybody's like low-key freaking out. Low-key because everybody there is a hype beast and they don't want to seem like too over-the-top obsessed, but they do want to meet Virgil because this is their one and only chance. Anyway, so people are taking up stuff to sign. And I was like, I really want him to sign something, but I really want him to sign something that I can use and not just like a piece of paper that I'm just going to put somewhere and be like, oh yeah, Virgil signed this. So I was wearing these at the time and I thought, ooh, that would be kind of cool if he signed my shoes. So yeah, Virgil signed my Balenciagas. It was a big moment for me. Probably the most interesting thing that's ever happened to me in my life. And also he took a picture of them, which was also super sick. But yeah, so that is why mine have Air, because it was like his Air Force One collection for Nike and Virgil. So there we go. I really don't have any downsides to do with this apart from don't wear them in the rain. But that is self-explanatory because they're like a knit. And also that's definitely gonna smell, isn't it? After it rains, and then this, and because like it's foot. So don't wear them in the rain. Aside from that, They are really great summer trainers because they're so light, and because it's knitted, it's breathable, so you're not going to get like hot feet in the summer, and they're super great otherwise. Guys, they're just a great trainer. If you're into these kind of like slim fit sock shoes, whatever, I highly recommend them. That was my review of the Balenciaga Speed Trainers. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave any questions or queries or whatever in the comments. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. You're gonna love us. Join the family. All of that. Guys, have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.